Welcome to this explainer. The tech landscape isn't just moving fast right now, it's undergoing a literal tectonic shift. Today, we are unpacking absolutely the most trending service from cloud providers right now, Artificial Intelligence as a Service, or AIaaS. We're going to give you the exact framework you need to understand how this is fundamentally rewriting the future of cloud computing.
Okay, let's quickly look at our roadmap for today. We're going to cover the evolution of cloud services, introduce AI as a service, look at why businesses absolutely need it, check out some real-world tools, and finally, talk about your future in AIaaS. Let's dive right into Section 1, the evolution of cloud services. To really appreciate where this tech is taking us, we have to start by looking back at the foundation. We're all pretty familiar with the classic cloud triad, right? Infrastructure as a service gave us the raw servers to set things up, platform as a service gave us the sandbox for development, and software as a service delivered that final product to the user. That was the traditional playbook that established how companies operate online. A perfect illustration of this is Netflix. They rely heavily on these foundational cloud services to effortlessly manage millions of accounts, secure our data, and stream movies without a hitch. That is the cloud doing its normal operational job, keeping the lights on perfectly. But here is the major pivot. Establishing a business and keeping the lights on is one thing, but in today's hyper-competitive market, how do you actually ensure future growth and survival? Relying on just that traditional infrastructure, it simply isn't enough to outpace the competition anymore. Which brings us to Section 2, introducing AI as a service. The answer to that survival question lies right here in our next major evolution. So, what is it? AIaaS is basically a cloud-based platform that offers ready-to-use artificial intelligence tools. It lets businesses integrate complex AI without having to build, maintain, or manage any of the underlying infrastructure. The crucial point here is that the massive cloud providers are handling all the heavy lifting of building and deploying these pre-trained models for you. Let's put this into perspective with an e-commerce site. The traditional cloud keeps the store open, right? It manages the users, takes the orders, processes the payments. But AI integration, that's what actually pushes your market growth. By powering smart recommendation systems, it predicts behavior and drives net new sales. Basically, the cloud runs the store, but the AI grows the business. Moving right along to Section 3, why businesses need AIaaS. Let's look at how this has evolved from a cool nice-to-have into a massive business necessity. Now, what's really fascinating here is the stark contrast between doing it yourself and letting the cloud do it. Building AI from scratch. It's a nightmare. It requires insanely heavy infrastructure, complex maintenance, and massive costs. But using AI as a service, it's plug and play. It's ready to use, fully cloud provided, and instantly scalable. Because of AIaaS, companies can suddenly access these incredibly powerful, pre-trained superpowers in an instant. We're talking about natural language processing, deep image recognition, instantaneous text-to-audio and video generation, and even sentiment analysis to gauge exactly how your customers are feeling. You don't have to invent the algorithm anymore, you just integrate the capability. And the companies arming you with these tools are the absolute titans of the industry: Amazon Web Services, Google Cloud, and Microsoft Azure. The competition among them is neck and neck, an absolute dogfight. And that's exactly why they are pouring billions of dollars into these services. They know AI as a service is the ultimate battleground for enterprise tech. Okay, Section 4, real-world AIaaS tools. Let's ground this high-level strategy in reality and look at the actual tools being used in the industry today. If we use AWS as our prime example, you can clearly see how these abstract AI concepts are packaged into tangible, deployable services. You've got Amazon SageMaker to easily build and deploy AI models. There's Amazon Lex, which creates really sophisticated conversational AI and chatbots. And then Amazon Rekognition handles advanced image and video analysis completely effortlessly. And you actually see this in action every single day. Major institutions like SBI and ICICI banks use these exact AI frameworks like chatbots to handle massive volumes of customer queries. By integrating this tech, they've vastly reduced their reliance on physical manpower and totally streamlined their daily operations. Finally, Section 5, your future in AIaaS. Let's connect all of this tech directly back to you and your career. Because AI is dominating the landscape right now, and the cloud is the delivery mechanism, understanding how to integrate the two is essentially the ultimate key to a bright future. The demand for professionals who know this terminology and hold the key to this specific integration is going to be absolutely massive.
Think about it. If you start mastering these integration methods now, the benefits waiting for you are huge. You get to tap directly into those massive investments by the big tech players. You secure high-paying, future-proof jobs. You can accelerate your internal corporate promotions, or, frankly, you gain the undeniable leverage you need to switch over to top-tier companies.
So I want to leave you with one final provocative thought. The cloud is completely ready for AI. The infrastructure is built, the tools are sitting there waiting to be deployed. The only question is, are you ready? Are you going to be the one to take advantage of this and shape the future? Thanks so much for joining this explainer. Keep learning, and we will catch you on the next one.